if you've got an internet service provider who has an email account online and you want to make sure you're archiving and collecting a copy of every single email that you're receiving in that mailbox. Now, that works great, but if you want to retrieve email from a Gmail account to your business workspace account, what is the best practice? So the question here is, does Google Workspace provide an option to show joint content from both private domain email and private Gmail account within the same workspace inbox? Can you connect a private Gmail account to a workspace account just like you would connect private Gmail to a dedicated server's email account? Yes, you can, is the short answer to this one. Now, when you're working with Gmail, you can bring other email services and other email addresses into your Gmail mailbox. There's two ways to do that. The first method is to push that email from another mailbox. And so if you've got something like an iCloud email, there's a forwarding feature where you can forward any email that comes into your iCloud account to another mailbox. You may also choose to forward from a personal Gmail account into your business mailbox inside of Google Workspace. That's also configurable in the settings, and you can set that up under the forwarding feature inside of Gmail. Now, the other method is called retrieval, and that is where you configure your Google Workspace business account to go out to another email server, retrieve those emails as if it was downloading it from an old web server, and place the retrieved emails into your Gmail mailbox. Now, this works great if you've got an internet service provider who has an email account online and you want to make sure you're archiving and collecting a copy of every single email that you're receiving in that mailbox. Now, that works great, but if you want to retrieve email from a Gmail account to your business workspace account, what is the best practice? Well, in my opinion, using the pop retrieval method is not that great. I wouldn't even say it's just my opinion. It's based on my experience. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it drops out, and most of the time it's pretty slow. It's got this delay in when it retrieves email. So it can take up to 10 or 20 minutes for emails to reach your primary inbox if you're retrieving it from an external account or an external server. So my recommendation, wherever possible, is to forward emails from your secondary account or your personal Gmail account into your new main business mailbox. That's the best way to do it, and that's going to help you to get email nice and quickly, and it's going to be consistent as well.
If you like this content, please hit subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live or drop new content on the channel. Now, if you'd like to connect with us, hit us up on social media or join our free community group. All the links to that are right below this video. If you'd like to learn more about Google Workspace and the technology ecosystem, you can join our free Genius Academy by transferring your billing across to itGenius. Or you can join a Workspace Basics Bootcamp. Now, if you're a business owner and you're interested in an audit on your technology stack or your Workspace account, or you're looking to do a project in the tech world, well, you can take advantage of our free consultation. And if you need help right now, then consider joining Concierge or taking up a quick fix with our team for professional support for your tech stack.